everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this gardening tool from Innocheer. Thank you so much, Innocheer. Kids gardening tools from Innocheer. Creations, learning, discovery,
Educational.
educational. Let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh. Garden tools. Got it. We have a bag, and inside the bag, gloves and a watering can. Yeah. And we have a shovel. What is this?
Rake.
Rake. And a trowel. And we have this gardening apron. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Ugh. Wow, this is so cute. Look, it has pockets.
Can you turn around, please?
Look at my gloves.
Thanks for watching.